How to apply silicone sealant. Silicone is a finishing product, but also ensures the long-lasting performance of the tile installation. The job of the silicone is to absorb the differential movement in the tiled surfaces or where tiles meet other surfaces. These are known as expansion joints. Typical silicone areas include shower tray or bath to tiles, wall tile to floor tile joints, wall tile to ceiling joints, vertical tile corners, and any other abutments such as door linings or window frames. Here are our tips for a professional finish. Thoroughly clean both the joints and surfaces you intend to seal. Load the silicone into the caulking gun and cut the tip of the nozzle at a 45-degree angle to give the width of the seal required. Apply the silicone with even pressure and fill the joint in a smooth, single movement to achieve an even bead. Mix a solution of detergent and water, or if available, use a suitable releasing agent. Then, with a profiling tool, smooth the joint and allow to cure. DUNLOP FX-90 silicone sealant is available in 8 different colors with matching GX-500 grouts for the perfect, consistent wall-to-floor finish. Find your local Dunlop stockist online at www.dunloptrade.com/stockists.